In this question number 1, it is saying that tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. So the first is certain to happen, means it is most sure that it will occur. The second is impossible, means it cannot occur, and the third is can happen but not certain. So you have to classify these 5 situations into these 3 categories. So the first question is you are older today than yesterday. So it is certain to happen. So here we will write certain to happen. Certain to happen. The first answer will be certain to happen. And the second one is a coin tossed will land heads up. Whenever you toss a coin, you either get a head or a tail. So it is saying that a coin tossed will land heads up. So you are not sure. So the answer will be can happen but not certain. Similarly, the third question, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on the top. So here it is saying that whenever you are tossing the coin, tossing a coin, it will land as 8 on the top. So you know the maximum 6 occurs whenever when a die is thrown. So it is impossible. And now the fourth one is the next traffic light seen will be green. So you cannot say until you know which is the previous light. So its answer will be can happen but not certain. Similarly, the fifth one is tomorrow will be a cloudy day. So you cannot say how the day will be tomorrow. So answer will be can happen but not certain.